Hello everyone, welcome to the Codeness. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create the project structure. So open Visual Studio, then create a new project. Select the blank solution. If you not found here, so you can search from the template. Click on the next, give the name product app or product services you can say. So I'm going click on the create button. Now as you can see, the blank solution is added. Now right click, add new project, then I'm going to use ASP.NET Core Web API, or you can use the ASP.NET Core empty. Now give the name product app.api. Click on the next button, then leave its default. I'm using the .NET 9. Click on the next. Now as you can see, our product app.api project is created. Now I have to create the another project because I'm going to use the clean architecture. So you can choose the class library, click on the next, give the name product app dot application. Just copy it. Next, next. Now create one more project for our domain. Same, use the class library. Click on the next. Now one more project. Add new project, class library. Paste. Now this project is infrastructure. Infra infrastructure. Click on the next button. So I have created the four projects. In the first project, we have to write the controller, all of the controller of the product class. Then in the domain, we have to define the domain like the product class and related entity of the domain. Then application, we perform our all business logic in the use case or business logic in the application layer. In the infrastructure layer, we are going to use the database connectivity or the DB operation we use in the infrastructure layer. So in the next video, I am going to show you how to create the domain layer. So thank you for watching this video.